Say hi, Joe.
Hi.
Today I have with me Mama Nigel's helper, Joella. So Joella and I are going to be creating in a very simple yet affordable and rich way Dollar Tree decor. Okay? So this is highly affordable. But the outcome in itself is glamorous, okay? Glam, as if you have spent a whole lot of money on it, okay? So what do you need to get it started? So as you can see, we have the flower vase here. So we have the tall, I believe it's 8 inches flower vase and 6-inch flower vase. Okay, these you can purchase either online at Dollar Tree or you can go to the store to purchase it as well. So you always want to buy varied sizes to create that contextual structure that will be captivating. Okay, and then of course you can also pick these are flowers that I have used in the past, so you can always reuse these things. Sometimes you already have items in your home that you don't even need to purchase. So I have here some flowers, okay, that I have broken off from the stem. Okay, I'm just gonna twist that vine. And the reason why I'm twisting it because I really don't like the stem to hang down in the vase. I just want to place it and have like so, something like that, okay? So that the flower is going to be against. It works better when it's in the water. So it's gonna be suspended and floating while it is in the water, okay? So you will see. And then of course you will need floating candles. Okay, these again are very super cheap. You also want to pick up the floating candles. Okay, you do need these to create that light ambience for you. And also I have here water beads. Okay, these are water beads and it's $1 a pack. You can purchase, or $1.89 a pack. It is very cheap and it goes a long way. And then this, sometimes you might find a smaller width, okay, at Dollar Tree. But if you don't find but this is about what, 2 inches width. So if you don't find this width at Dollar Tree, you can always combine 1 inch together to give you that width that you need. You can use gold, or you can use silver, or even red. And we need water to create that flotation in our vase. So lastly is our glue gun. You definitely need to have a glue gun handy in the house because you can use it to create so many wonderful crafts. All right, so let's get to it. As you can see here, I do have, because I have used this vase in the past, I do have residue of the water beads in my vase. This is the thing, ladies, these water beads, it can last you for years. All right, fill it up with water, put it up on your table, and once it's gonna absorb that water and swell up. Once the water dries out, it disintegrates again to its natural form, and you can store it that way. And just pour water in it next year or next time that you need to use it, and voila, it is again ready for you. Okay? All right, so now we're going to start this up. I'm just gonna add a little bit more here of the water beads.
Okay.
About this much.
That much?
Yes. So use your hand. There you go.
This
About that much. Yes. Pour that in there because we're gonna add our water so you can start soaking it up. Keep going. All right. That is good. Good job. All right. So next, we're gonna add the water. You wanna pour in the water as well. So this is a craft that you can have your children help you out with.
Like halfway.
We're gonna do 3/4. So we're doing 3/4 because that is the level where our sequin wrap is going to end. So you can see the sequin wrap will end right there. So when you put your lighted candle, it sits right there and give it that beautiful ambience. Okay, so right now, this is the magic to this. Okay, so the water bead is right now settled at the bottom. Give it an hour or two, it's gonna absorb the water, swell up and rise to the top and disperse beautifully throughout the cylinder vase. Okay, so it is a beauty to behold. So next, before we start to put in our flour, actually we can do our flour right now. So I always like to put my flour bottom down so it can float downwards. It is beautiful. Okay, and the whites, I'm gonna put this upwards but to the other side to kind of fill up the jar, and the petals rubbing against the glass. Okay, that is exactly how I want it. Okay, isn't that just beautiful? Okay, so you have the white flour right there against the glass, and at the bottom is your red against the glass, and that is just romantically beautiful. Okay, all right, so next is, this is quite simple to do. It's something that you can actually get done in the morning, and in the evening use it for your centerpieces for your table, and you are ready for that romantic dinner for you and your loved one. So now comes the glue gun. What we're gonna do is just put along here 5 beads. We're going to do like so. 1 bead, 2 bead, 3 bead, 4 and 5. Okay, that's all you need. Going to press this right there, press it on. Okay, sometimes you might have this on your hand, but don't worry, because once it dries off, once it dries on your hand, you can easily get it off. So where this is going to mix up with the other one, so we're going to put another glue there to secure that together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna put one right at the base. So we have 6 beads of glue. Stretch it so it aligns. There you go, right there. Okay, so once you have that perfectly together, you know, you can even hardly see the beginning or the end. And what I forgot to mention is that this the sequence actually comes in a row. So you want to measure the circumference of your cylinder and cut it to exactly to the length of that circumference, so that it is easy for you to apply on when you are ready for the application. So our vase is almost all ready, and then you want to move this up to the rim of the vase, align that with the rim, you know, so you have that perfection going on. All right, so our bead is already, some of it is already rising, to the top, and you can see that flotation going on in there. So before you know it, you will have quite a few of the beads rising up. The last touch is the floating candle.
Can I put in the floating candle?
So Joella is gonna help me drop in the floating candle. I'll try and move this a little bit up here. Okay, so go ahead, drop it right in, into the middle. And you want to make sure that you are using the floating candles because so that it does not descend to the bottom of the water, okay? So these are special candles that will float on the water. So now we are ready to light this baby up. So I'm just gonna center that candle perfectly. All right. Okay. So look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There you go. Okay, so that is our finished product.